I got the hot cup of brew. The old dog and gun out in Killi Loop here. So it is, yeah, public holiday today, so thought I'd make the most of it and come out and enjoy the bush for a couple of hours. Yeah, and get a feel for the old GQ. It's such a different car to drive out on the tracks compared to what I'm used to. You know, my Ranger, there's not many noises that come out of it. And the old MIT 79 from work, which I've done a lot of kilometres in. And that thing's terrifying to drive sometimes. If you've watched any of those videos and you've seen my poker face, terrible, terrible poker face. I don't make anything, you know, look easy in that thing. But this GQ, it's all twin lock now, but it's super capable. But I don't know if you saw, I sort of got hung up a little bit just coming up this little climb. Yeah, it's just got no power, being an NA naturally aspirated TD42. It's got, I don't know, 13.5 horsepower on a good day. And that's downhill with a tailwind. But yeah, definitely needs a turbo. So if any turbo companies out there want to hook a brother up, I'm open to suggestions. But yeah, I'll turbo it eventually once I sell the Ranger. And then yeah, a few other things, set up the drawers in the back here as well. But it's comfy. Oh, I've got some Scheel-mann seats in there as well, which are absolute magic. They are heated and vented. They're the Scheel-mann Vario. I think they're a size large maybe, or a medium. You can get in a bunch of different sizes. They're fully adjustable to suit your body shape and everything, which is really cool. So I've got those in there. The vents in there, super sick as well. So my boys stay a bit cooler than usual. I run hot usually, so which is nice. So yeah, they've jumped on board with me, which is cool. Benji's an absolute legend. And yeah, I'll do a bit more on those Scheel-mann seats once we get some custom mounts made up and they're how we want them. But yeah, I'll put a link in the description down below if you want to check them out for yourself. But yeah, just having a cup of coffee, just enjoying this nice breeze that's just come through, and yeah, just mucking around in the GQ on a day off, so a bit of fun. Enjoying nature. Look at the sounds, like cicadas and the bugs and the birds. It's just beautiful. So nothing crazy this video, but I've been doing these non-talking videos, which everyone seems to be enjoying. So I thought I'd try one with the sounds of the car. So let me know what you think. But yeah, might pack up, finish the coffee, and head back home for a swim. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon. So yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the videos. You know, let me know in the comments, what do you just want to see from me? I'm frothing on these sorts of videos, but they're just, yeah, super simple. And from the feedback that I'm getting so far, there's a lot of people are liking them. So thank you to everyone that's been watching and supporting. Really appreciate it. And I'll finish this, get back out there and have a bit more fun and head home. Cheers.